angels, welcome back to Vlogmas. I can't believe Vlogmas is already almost over. Today's video is a little bit more casual. This is my day off, so I wanted to kind of rest and relax, but I do have a lot to do, so I'm going to take you guys along on that. We're going to start packing for our holiday trip. We are going to see my family in Ohio and then Robbie's family in Georgia, so we'll be gone for, I think it's like 16 days, and we decided we're not going to check a bag. And we're going to Ohio, which is very cold. I grew up in the Midwest. This is new to me. The Florida winter is new to me and I love it. I love warm weather. Literally yesterday I walked outside and had a tank top and jeans on and I was like, it filled me with joy. Anyways, we are going to be going to a much colder climate for Christmas. My husband and his twin were born 2 days after Christmas, so we basically always spend at least that time of the holidays with his family. And they live in Georgia, so it's a little bit warmer, but not as warm as Florida. And Ohio is definitely going to be cold. Luckily, I can borrow a lot of things from my mom, and we're going to, the house that I grew up in, so like I still have some high school things there, which are fun. But I love fashion, I love to be cute, and we're gonna have a few outings. We're hoping to be able to go to the lights at the zoo when we're there, and then there's this bar that's a rooftop bar that has little igloos, so we're hoping to be able to do that. So I do want to bring some cute outfits, definitely some sweaters, definitely some warm things, but I have to try and figure out how to fit it on and carry on with the presents that we bought as well. So we're gonna do that today. I figured that it would be helpful if I started packing now, because that way I can have like a general game plan, not be overwhelmed in the last minute, because I do get overwhelmed when, I want to make sure I pack everything I want. But I figured if I started packing now, I could get a game plan of like, okay, what is actually going to fit? How many sweaters can I actually take? What can I edit out? So we're gonna start big and then take everything down small. And also I was gonna go through some Disney style ideas for the holidays, whether you're at home and you just want a little extra magic, or you're dreaming of that Disney holiday vacation and you're gonna be at home in Minnesota or wherever you are. I wanted to give you some style ideas to bring a little bit of magic to your holiday style. Robbie and I are going to have a holiday movie marathon later. I am so behind on my holiday movies, so we plan to spend most of the day doing that. So I might make a little treat as well, and I'll bring you guys along with me. First, let's get some outfit ideas. Okay, one of the easiest ways to bring Disney style into any day is a little bit of mini style with her polka dots. This is a polka dot shirt I got from Nasty Gal. It's got that trendy neutral palette to it, which I love. I paired it with some sassy faux leather leggings that I got from Target, and then some black boots. Simple, easy, comfortable, cocktail hour look, cute, cozy. Okay, this one's simple but super cute. If you have any like fun printed dresses or like skirts or something that you feel like aren't quite dressy or like cute for the holidays, throw a sweater over the top. I used a turtleneck because this one has a higher neck. It gives you that layering look. It dresses it up just a bit and makes it really cozy for the season. Who doesn't want a little Star Wars magic at Christmas dinner? I know I do. This one, super simple. This is one of my favorite sweatshirts from Disney. I love that it's simple but very festive. I got it from Disneyland a few years ago. If I can find something similar, I will link it for you. Paired this with a tennis skirt, super easy. If you're in a colder climate, maybe try this one with a turtleneck and then some tights and booties. It would also be super cute. I just love the simplicity of this. It gives you a little bit of festive, it gives you a little bit of magic, but it's cute and trendy at the same time. Okay, and this is the last one for now, but gotta throw in a little Marvel style, especially with the new Spider-Man coming out. It's my absolute favorite. I love the idea of a simple graphic tee paired with some plaid, whether it's plaid pants or a plaid skirt. It adds a little bit of festiveness. I added this super cozy cloud-like cardigan over the top to add a little bit of warmth. It just adds that like marshmallow winter vibe to it, which is so much fun. Okay, so now we've got some magical outfit ideas. I'm gonna start trying to pack.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree.
We've got a great first draft of things that I think I want to take, but I actually realized it was going to be more helpful for me if I wrote down, you know, potential activities that we're going to be doing, so that way I can plan ahead. I'm gonna sit down and kind of brainstorm through what I need to pack for, because like I said, we are packing a carry-on for a little over 2 weeks, so I need to be very specific with my packing. So I'm gonna sit down and write down some of the things that we might do with some of my favorite markers. If you know me, you know I love markers and pens. They make me so happy. These are my absolute favorite ones from Stabilo. You can get them at Michael's or other craft stores, and also on Amazon. They have big packs of them that are actually pretty affordable as far as like these pens go, so I'll link them. We're gonna sit down and then make a little list to kind of get my head around what I need to bring with us this time. List making always makes me feel better, always has since I was a kid. My mom once made a joke that when I die, there's just gonna, whoever has to unpack my stuff is just gonna find list on list on list, which is, she's not wrong at all, but makes me feel a little bit better, gets my head in place. I think I have some good ideas. I think I might do like just a little bit of shopping, because I do like to have like a new special outfit for Christmas or Christmas Eve. I have been trying to get a lot better about shopping my closet, because I do have an addiction to shopping. It like makes me really happy. I do it when I'm sad, when I'm stressed, so I'm trying not to do that so much. But I think getting one item might be nice, just to have a little treat for the holidays to myself, because you gotta treat yourself. And I was just going through Instagram, and of course Target's ad just like got me, and I found this dress. I don't know if you can see, let's see if it'll focus. It looks like a Christmas tree, like it looks like a shiny Christmas tree. It is $21 on clearance. Do I need it? I'm gonna put a whole like Christmas dress shopping montage collage in this description, because I found so many cute dresses at Target, like amazing. So I might get this to add to my list. Also, I love the idea of like a thin dress, because it's really easy to pack. You can roll it up really small. So this one might come home with me. So this is my bag of gifts that I got at the Francesca's outlet. I literally found something for everyone there. And they had 30% off their gifts, 40% off all of their clothing. It was a fantastic deal. But this is what I'm trying to figure out, if we can fit into carry-on bags rather than checking a bag, or we're gonna send some of it via the mail. We gotta figure it out. I'm pretty sure I can get all of the small things in. I'm like 98% sure I can get all of the small things into just my suitcase, and then I'm gonna put a ton more in Robbie's, because he doesn't pack like me, so there's always a lot more space in his suitcase. So we're gonna see what we can fit in this one. And then I got my family these. I don't know if my family watches my videos, so I'm just gonna show a little like peek. So I got these t-shirts. We always do matching pajamas on Christmas Eve. We started it a couple years ago. I know it's like very trendy, but it's also really fun. And so we got matching pants, and then I got the shirts as everyone's gift, and they're very nostalgic, something that we really love from one of our favorite holiday movies. And so I'm really excited, but I gotta pack all of these extra shirts as well. So we'll see what we can do. Sitting by the Christmas tree, because random fact about me, I love wrapping presents. The process of wrapping to me is so satisfying, and also I think exciting, because I love to give presents. I put a lot of thought into my presents. I like to give something that is either very useful or so perfectly, you know, styled for that person. I get really into gift giving, and wrapping just feels like that last step that's like so exciting. So I'm gonna wrap these little presents that I have. And again, I'm not sure if my family watches my YouTube, so I'm not gonna show you all of the things that I got, but I got some really cute little like kitschy things from Francesca's that are really special. And then I got something for Robbie as well. His birthday is 2 days after Christmas, so Robbie definitely watches my YouTube videos, so I'm not gonna show you what I got him, but I'm very excited. It's so silly, and it's very us. We get obsessed with really silly things, whether it's movies or podcasts or anything like that. So it's something that's very themed, and he's just gonna love it. It's gonna be so funny. So I'm gonna wrap all of this stuff first, because first of all, it makes me happy, and also if I'm gonna pack it, might as well be wrapped. I know that sometimes flying, they can be a little picky about having wrapped presents, but I've never had issues with it so far in my history of traveling during the holidays. And if they make me unwrap it, then they make me unwrap it, and that's totally fine, but I'm still gonna do it because at least it makes me happy, and hopefully it'll stay. Also, I found this wrapping paper from Target that is just so joyful, and it literally says joyful. Let's see. It literally says joyful all over it, which is so perfect because I'm Joyfully Liz and joy makes me happy, and it literally says happy, merry, joyful. It's so delightful, and the rainbow colors just add to it. So I've got a really good start unpacking. I think I'm about 75% there. I'm definitely gonna add some things, but I just wanted to get the majority of it in there just to see like what I'm working with and what else I can bring with me. And I actually fit all but one of the gifts that I need to bring, which is awesome. And I'll have Robbie's suitcase as well to help with that. But now that that's done, I'm going to decorate a little bit more in this room to make it super Christmassy, because today Robbie and I are gonna have a movie marathon. So I'm gonna decorate and then we're gonna sit down and watch some movies all day. So first I'm gonna get this room all festive. More twinkle lights in here. If you can't tell, I love twinkle lights. I think they're magical. I will leave these ones behind the bed up all year. Same with the ones in our behind our TV. I'm gonna put some up in our bathroom too, because I like to have them on when I take a bath. Love a bath. You know, I feel like there are just these little things you can do to make your life feel so special, and I think they get kind of brushed aside sometimes because people think, why would I put twinkle lights in my bathroom? That's ridiculous. Or like, I live in an apartment, like this is temporary, why would I invest in it? And I just think like I just think it adds a little bit of magic, and these are these little things you can do to just add a little bit of magic to every day, and I'm gonna do them. I'm gonna keep on doing it because this is my life and this is the life I want to live, and why not make those choices that make me really, really happy? So the choice that is gonna make me happy today is spending time with my husband and marathoning holiday movies, so I'm gonna go do that now. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the very last day of Vlogmas.